Clear Bra North Dallas, M2 BMW full wrap, Expel Ultimate Plus. Going around this guy and checking out all our areas that we wrap. Remember, we pay close attention to wrapping all our edges on the inside. Keeping everything nice and tight. Sometimes taking out door handles, like this one. There is an extra charge for removing pieces, coming in nice and tight around here, dumping it into the windowsill, dumping into this window edge. We don't want any edges. We get rid of what we can, remove the headlights, particularly on this one. Of course, we do charge extra for removing some of the parts because they take time. Coming around this quarter, gas lid, inside the gas lid, everything just turns out great. Window tint XR Plus, ceramic coated with a 2-year Fine Labs for that extra shine. And that's it, folks. M2 BMW full wrap, Expel Ultimate Plus, Expel XR Plus windshield, and there you go. Any questions, clearbranorthdallas.com, 940-999-6131. And take care, have a great day.